Hello everyone, good evening. Well, for us, we see the game, I see the game very good from our side. I think we, but I think that the first I have to say is our players are amazing what they are doing. This is the first I want to say because in the previa we said that we came here to try to enjoy this opportunity that the good job of the players have provoked, to be playing to try to be in between the top 8, and we were fighting till the end, doing a very good match and against a very good opponent in the home. We controlled the game very good in defense. We create very good chances in attack. We were dominating team, winning the possession. Only the lack in the final third was our pain. But very proud of the players because also from our side we challenged them to prepare this game. We changed the way we were playing. We came back to formation that we were using at the beginning of the season. We know that our players, they are ready to do this, and today they showed, and against a very, very good opponent. Just in 1 week, they took another set to play, and they were able to follow the plan perfect. We can care to try to win like always, yes, but it's not what I mean. It's very clear, and I think that there is not any doubt. What happened in the pitch today was that Olympia was much close to win than our opponent. So, very proud of our players. Now they deserve this break to rest, and we will come back in January full of energy to approach the second half of the season. And with this very, very nice challenge that is going to be these playoffs. Well, I said at the beginning in the preview and also today in the first interview, today there are two options, to celebrate or to celebrate more. So at the end is to celebrate. We are very happy because this achievement for the first time in the history of Olympia, and in the way, it's not only the achievement, it's the way that the team has been playing, the games we have done in Europe, with the very low budget that we have facing very big opponents, and without any fear, playing at home and playing away. So very proud of the players, I repeat again, and we will continue spoiling them to improve, and let's see what is the root of them.